With so much happening online, it can be hard to find exactly what you're looking for. So here are 3 easy ways to help you get better results for your Google searches. Tip number 1. Start simple, then add descriptive words. Let's say you're shopping for a new camera. Start your search with broad terms. Then add details about the camera you're looking for. Tip number 2. Be specific. Google search works by matching the words you enter into the Google search box with web pages that contain those words. So you can improve your results by using the specific phrases you're looking for as your search terms. For example, let's say you've taken a really great photo with your new camera and want to have it printed on canvas. A search for "print my pictures" is going to return websites about everything from printing your photos at home to photo printing software. But a search using "photos professionally printed on canvas" will probably get you to a website with exactly what you're looking for. Tip number 3. Don't sweat the small stuff. Keep in mind that Google ignores things like capitalization, spelling, and punctuation. So don't get bogged down with those details. These 3 tips should have you creating better searches in no time. And remember, don't be afraid to experiment. Search on!